Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use my Health Pays Rewards card for gas. You usually can't swipe the card directly at the pump, but there are ways to make it work. First, redeem your rewards for gift cards to gas stations like Hy-Vee or other eligible stores. Then use the gift card to pay for gas. Another option is to use your My Health Pays card for groceries, utilities, or phone bills. This frees up your own cash, which you can then spend on gas. And that's it. Even without paying at the pump directly, you can still use your rewards to cover gas. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.